Hello, my name is Richmond Inger, and I am one of the broker owners at Global Realty. I am here with James Hadar and Scott Zemmons. Today, we are going to give you some insight on how we market our homes to get our clients the maximum results that they deserve. The best way to look at this is to break it down in 3 sections. Number 1, educating our clients. Number 2 is our exceptional marketing plan. And number 3 is the professional services that we provide. Thank you for choosing Global Realty.
Hello, my name is Scott Zemmons. I'm one of the broker owners here at Global Realty. Our first step to educating our clients is designing a marketing plan for their individual needs. First, we design a comparative market analysis, which is referred to as a CMA. A CMA is going to consist of homes that are currently on the market, homes pending with offers, and homes that have sold in the last 6 months in your neighborhood. Secondly, we will preview homes in your neighborhood that are currently on the market to see where your home stacks up against the competition. This will help us list your home with the best listing price to get your home sold quickly. Third, we will update you on buyer, population, and neighborhood trends in your neighborhood, letting you know what the supply and demand is. Fourth, we will educate you on the buyer's needs and what we need to do to make sure your home is qualified to be able to get a mortgage buyer. Fifth, we will provide accurate data. This will involve measuring your home and confirming any data with the city that we need to make sure it's the most accurate listing for your home.
Hi, my name is James Hadar with Global Realty. We use high-definition photos and videos. We will also stage your property if needed and provide you with floor plan maps for those larger homes and new construction. We will also provide you with marketing pieces so you can share with your friends, families, and coworkers. We are members of both local MLS boards for maximum exposure, which will market your property on the major websites including Trulia, Zillow, Realtor.com, and 15 other major websites. We will host a broker open for other real estate professionals and a public open house if seller requested. Thank you.
Combined, we have over 35 years of marketing homes for our sellers. We will create a stress-free transaction, giving you the confidence that we have your best interest at heart. We will provide weekly updates of showings, other agents, and buyers that we have taken through your home. We will provide 24-hour showing assistance, customizing showings to your preferences of when you would like people coming through your home. We also work with a professional title company that will handle the closing transaction and the mortgage payoff of your existing mortgage for you. We will make recommendations of repairs that will at least triple the rate of return on the sale of your home, only using licensed and insured contractors that we have experience with. This will all provide the necessary tools to get a buyer to want to make an offer on your home today and get your home sold for you. And thank you for choosing Global Realty.